Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect pumpkin spice latte at home. Recently I tried several pumpkin spice lattes from different shops and all of them left a lot to be desired. It just tastes like more milk. This left me with a bad taste in my mouth, both literally and figuratively, and I didn't want it to end like this, but in reality it's actually really easy to make these yourself. So here's just about everything needed to make a homemade pumpkin spice latte. Milk, pumpkin puree, strong coffee, sugar, vanilla, and of course, pumpkin spice. You can either buy pumpkin spice already mixed like this one from Kroger, labeled as pumpkin pie spice, or you can make it yourself. The spice mix is in the ingredients. If you want to make it yourself, you'll need 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ginger, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a pinch of cloves. Just mix those all together and you'll have homemade pumpkin spice. There's no fancy equipment required to make these lattes, but I will show you the fun tools I use to get these made. Starting with the coffee, let me introduce you to the AeroPress. If you aren't familiar with this, it's truly a wonderfully simple device. Basically, it's a quick and compact way to make espresso and strong coffee. This AeroPress is a lifesaver for me, as I'm the only one in my home that drinks coffee and I don't need to brew a full pot. Link is in the description to this AeroPress if you're interested. And just like that, espresso, or coffee if you add some hot water to it. Now once the coffee is made, however you made it, you'll need about half a cup of strong coffee, and now it's time to prepare the pumpkin spice latte. In a pot, add 2 cups of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, add more though if you like things sweeter, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, add more if you like things more pumpkin-y. Heat this mixture up and combine. Simmer for a few minutes, but do not let it boil. We don't need boiled milk for our lattes. Once warmed, give this a taste and make sure it's sweet enough and pumpkin-y enough. For me, I wanted things just a little bit sweeter today. Another sweetener option you could use for this would be maple syrup. I think it adds a nice flavor note as well. Once the mix is sweetened to your liking and passes the taste test, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and whisk it all together to combine. Or you could use a frother to really help incorporate the spices and add, well, froth. I have this little handheld Power Liz frother. I love this thing. It gets the job done so quickly and I have no complaints. Link is in the description for this one also if you're interested. After everything is completely incorporated, add in half a cup of strong coffee and combine. In total, this recipe will make enough for 2 lattes, or 1 really big one. Pour the pumpkin spice latte directly into your favorite mug of choice. Top with whipped cream if desired, and maybe a dash of pumpkin spice. And that's it. A perfectly simple, delicious, homemade pumpkin spice latte. I really hope you all give this a try and enjoy. I think it's a big improvement from anything you'll find from a store, at least the ones that are fast food style. By the way, if you haven't seen me trying the pumpkin spice lattes from stores to see which one was the best, check it out using the link, also in the description. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like to this video and subscribing. See you next time.